video camera at 1347 South Ashland Avenue, Chicago. Video camera from the back bathrooms, the right side bathroom. I turn right now the faucet on to see the water how it's draining because the pipe was clogged. Here it's another connection. I'm going to flush the toilet on the other side. So I flush the toilet on the other side. The water is draining right now. This connection, it's in the front of the bathroom. I marked there because here is not going down. So you can see the water is draining, it's nothing backing up. But definitely there need attention where is this connection to the back. This is the water is draining. The drain is empty.